Hi there. So I've been trying to do this, solar pool heater for myself, and trying to do a lot of research and in various places, different techniques. But finally, one place where I could find all the instructions and what I need is probably a solar pool supply store. And most importantly, they have very quickly responded to my need, and also they have given with the diagram how it should install and recommended the inventory of stuff I need. Very neutral. It's not like overselling it. uh, I am from Florida, so he said like certain things you don't need it, certain things you need it. uh, for example, with high wind, what kind of material to use. And so overall, I think very professional and very helpful guide. And I have successfully done the project, and it's been like 3 weeks now. It's doing good. Yeah, overall, I'm very satisfied. I would definitely recommend Solar Supply to others. And I think shipping could have been a little bit better because return is a bit difficult. I think I understand that because through Amazon it's probably a lot more straightforward. But I like to order directly on the site because it's definitely a bit cheaper than Amazon. So, but otherwise, I'm overall satisfied. Thank you for taking my feedback.